Good evening, welcome back to Shajins. Now we'll see end of the day market report. First we will see overnight how US market closed. The Dow Jones closed with a loss of 58 points around at 15,133. Nasdaq lost 2 points and closed at 3,815, whereas S&P 500 lost 1 point and closed at 1,693. Asian markets are mixed. Nikkei lost 13 points and closed at 14,157. Straits Times lost 7 points and closed at 3,144, whereas Shanghai gained 229 points and closed at 23,214. And Taiwan gained close to 142 points and closed at 8,359. Whereas Kospi just gained 0.6 points and closed at 1,999, whereas Shanghai gained 14 points and closed at 2,174. Our market today gained close to 2%, Nifty gained close to 2.24%, almost 129 points and closed at 5,909. It closed above its 200-day moving average of 5,840 today. Sensex gained 384 points, almost 1.97%, and closed at 19,902. We'll just see about the intraday movements. Nifty opened at 5,819 and it moved towards a high of 5,830. Then it made a low of 5,802. From 5,830, it cut the next resistance of 5,840. Then it moved towards 5,880. Then it moved towards 5,900. Then it moved towards 5,917. It opened at 5,819, made a high of 5,917, and made a low of 5,802. Today there is no volatility in the market. It was moving slowly and steadily and taking out all the resistance levels. Sensex opened at 19,585 and made a high of 19,929. Now we will see about top gainers in Nifty and losers in Nifty. JP gained close to 7.5%, Sisagova gained close to 7.3%, Ambuja Cements gained close to 5.9%, Axis Bank gained close to 5.8%, and Bank of Baroda gained close to 5.3%. Whereas losers are FMCG today, Hindustan Unilever lost close to 1.5% and ITC lost 1.24%. Outside Nifty, if you see, TVS Chakra gained close to 14%, Zycom Securities gained close to 13%, Jacob gained 13%, Ajmera Realty gained 12%, and Steel Wheels gained close to 11%. Outside Nifty, the losers are Vikas Global One lost 10%, Bliss GVS lost 6%, Man Industries lost 6%, Mohit Industries lost close to 5.8%, and Primal Gas lost close to 5.4%. Today the advances in NSE are close to 1,598 scrips and the decline is close to 1,035 scrips and unchanged is close to 1,048 scrips. Now we will see about how our calls performed for the day. 3 calls we have given by DLF, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Auto, and last call another additionally we have given in IDFC. Here DLF made a high of 139 rupees 90 paisa, giving you a gain of close to 2.19%, whereas IndusInd Bank moved to a high of 405 rupees, giving you a gain of close to 5.7%. And Bajaj Auto, we have given a target of 2,100, it made a high of 2,125, giving you a gain of close to 5.2%. And in IDFC, made a high of 94 rupees 90 paisa, giving you a gain of 4.46%. In shorting call, we have given Sisagova, HCL Tech and Ambuja, which triggered the stop losses. As the market moved very heavily, almost short calls got triggered the stop losses. Now we'll see about commodities. Brent crude right now trading around $109.39, gaining 0.8%. Gold is trading around 29,858, gaining 1%. Silver is trading around 48,317, gaining 0.8%, and natural gas lost close to 3 63% and trading around 220 rupees. If you see European markets right now, CAC is down 15 points and trading around 4,143, and DAX gained 1 point and trading around 8,630, and FTSE gained 19 points and trading around 6,456. We have closed above the 200-day moving average. In coming days, 5840 will be acting as a support and 5800 will be acting as a medium support for coming week. Now the important resistance will be 5950 and 6000 in coming days. For more, visit our website www.chargeing.com, or you can post your queries in YouTube.